How do I pick a paint color for my wall? How do I know if this is a color I love? Which color should I use for my bedroom? Hello and welcome to Design by Misha.
Color affect people in many ways. Depending on age, gender and climate.
Which color will help you achieve that mood? Let your textile be your guide. Fabric, carpeting, furniture and tiles are available in a more limited range of color than paint. So choose them first and then decide on your paint color. Let's find out more about room colors and how they influence your mood. Think about how certain colors make you feel. They can influence any emotion. To create peace and harmony in your home, choose your colors wisely. Let's take a closer look at colors and learn what they can do to a room. Red raises a room energy level. In the living room or dining room, red draws people together and stimulates conversation. Yellow captures the joy of sunshine and communicates happiness. It's an excellent choice for kitchens, dining room and bathrooms. Blue, often recommended for bedrooms and bathrooms. Blue is known to have a calming effect when used as the main color of a room. Green is considered the most restful color for the eye. It is suited for almost any room in the house. Purple, in its darkest value, is rich, dramatic and sophisticated. It is associated with luxury and creativity. Is an energetic color. This color is great for room where you exercise. Neutral colors such as black, grey, white and brown are basic to the decorator's toolkit. All neutral schemes fall in and out of fashion. Color trends will come and go. The people who live in a home make it beautiful by choosing colors that reflect their preferences and personality. I hope this video was informative for all of you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe Design by Misha.